Get ready for the big Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event tomorrow, where all eyes will be on the new Galaxy S24 series. Even though we've heard a bunch about the specs and design recently, there's always room for some last-minute surprises, don't you think? In a sneak peek, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has shown up in some unboxing videos, flaunting its three official colors: titanium yellow, titanium violet, and titanium gray. The boxes look just like the ones for the S22 and S23 Ultra, with color-matched silhouettes. These videos gave us an up-close look at the fresh titanium frames that are exclusive to this year's Ultra models. Samsung went the extra mile by matching the colors of the back and frame on the yellow and silver models, giving the yellow one a golden-like frame and the silver one a silver finish. Meanwhile, the purple version stands out with a contrasting silver frame. Following Apple's lead with the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is going for a titanium alloy in its frame to keep things light. Titanium brings strength, and when paired with aluminum, it means a phone that's not just tough, but also lighter. Apple managed to shave off nearly 20 grams from its biggest phone using titanium, and we can expect a similar weight drop for the S24 Ultra. The S24 Ultra will hit the scene in four colors: titanium black, titanium violet, titanium gray, and titanium yellow. Keep your eyes peeled for exclusive online colors from Samsung's retail store, which currently offers cool options like graphite, sky blue, lime, and red for the current Ultra. For those on the fence about the display curvature on the S23 Ultra, here's the scoop: the Galaxy S24 Ultra is ditching it altogether. Whether you see this as a big win or a bit of a letdown depends on where you stand in the flat versus curved screen debate. Either way, the lack of a curve means regular glass screen protectors are finally a go for the Ultra, and no adhesive is needed. Exciting times are on the horizon. Now let's dive into all the details of the S24 series, including its features, design, and cost, helping you figure out which one suits you best. To my regular viewers, you're probably familiar with this, so feel free to move on to the next video. But if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on future content. Now let's dive straight into it. The standard Galaxy S24. Display: 6.2-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED with a resolution of 2340x1080. Front camera: 12MP punch hole. Rear cameras: 50MP primary, 12MP ultra-wide, 10MP telephoto. Processor: Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in the USA and South Korea, /Exynos 2400 in Europe. RAM: 8GB. Storage: 128GB or 256GB. Battery: 4000 mAh, 25D fast charging. Connectivity: 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7. Operating system: One UI 6 based on Android 14. Expected release: February 2024. Estimated price range: $850 to $900. Galaxy S24 Plus. Display: 6.7-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED with Quad HD Plus resolution, 3120x4400. Front camera: 12MP punch hole. Rear cameras: 50MP primary, 12MP ultra-wide, 10MP telephoto. Processor: Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in the USA and South Korea, /Exynos 2400 in Europe. RAM: 12GB. Storage: 256GB or 512GB. Battery: 4900 mAh, 45V fast charging. Connectivity: 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7. Operating system: One UI 6 based on Android 14. Expected price: around $1,050. Galaxy S24 Ultra. Display: 6.8-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED with a resolution of 3840x1440. Front camera: 12MP punch hole. Rear cameras: 200MP primary, 12MP ultra-wide, 50MP 3x telephoto, 10MP telephoto, 10x optical zoom. Processor: Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. RAM: 12GB. Storage: 256GB or 512GB. Battery: 5000 mAh, 45D fast charging. Connectivity: 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7. Operating system: One UI 6 based on Android 14. Expected price: around $1,250. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra brings a fresh design with enhanced durability, a significantly brighter display, upgraded hardware, and numerous new AI features. The inclusion of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in all Ultra models appears to be a smart move by Samsung, suggesting that these phones are poised for success. While the similarities to the predecessor might not entice S23 Ultra owners to rush for an upgrade, the S24 series is an excellent choice for those with older S phones or those considering their first S phone. As we approach the launch, more details may surface, and I'll continue to share them as soon as they become available. Don't forget to subscribe for future updates and feel free to share your opinions in the comments below.